What's up everyone, my name is Hannah B and you're watching Tiny Techniques at Rediscover Center. In this video, we'll be looking at tiny techniques for using wire cutters. Scissors work great for cutting and crafting, but if you're working with hard materials such as wire, skewers, or popsicle sticks, scissors just won't cut it. See what I did there? Scissors can get damaged trying to cut hard things. You need something stronger. This is a job for wire cutters, also sometimes referred to as snips or flush cutters. Take a look at your wire cutters. You can see that we don't want to put our fingers in here. That's the part that is sharp and cuts. But if you look at them closed, you will sometimes see a little hole where there is no blade. If your wire slips in there, the blade will miss it. So make sure that it's closer to the other end of your snips. Squeeze the handles really hard to cut the wire. If it's especially thick, you might need to wiggle and bend it like this to get your wire to break. And sometimes you need to cut something wide like a popsicle stick. These can be easier to cut by snipping it a little bit at a time until you've gotten all the way through. Another way to do this is by eating away at the popsicle stick in little bites with the snips. And if it gets kind of hard, try squeezing the snips with both of your hands instead of only using one. This way you're making multiple cuts through your stick and you're not trying to cut the whole length of it at once. One thing to be very careful of with this tool is that the small pieces that you cut can sometimes go flying. So it's important to wear eye protection like these safety glasses and point the piece that you aren't holding away from people. Using this simple technique, I can make projects just like this bicycle. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please share this with your fellow makers and tinkerers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit rediscovercenter.org to learn more about our programs.